And finally, a sixth marker. Control systems are vital for maintaining homeostasis. Outline the three major components of control systems, giving their roles and examples. Okay, so 6 mark question. As always, they're going to be assessing your quality of written communication. The question here really kind of shows you how they want you to structure your answer. You need to very clearly say what the three major components are: receptors, coordination centers, and effectors. Then, for each component, you need to give a role and an example. So I would structure it like that. Do a short paragraph on receptors, short paragraph on coordination centers, and a short paragraph on effectors. So for receptors detect stimuli, so they're changes in the environment. They detect them. So they detect things like changes in light levels, changes in temperature, touch, for example. So you can have skin cells, or you can have light receptors in the eye. There are many others that you could talk about. Then you have the coordination centers. So they receive and process information from receptors. So receptors detect that change in the environment and send a signal to the coordination center. The coordination center receives this information and processes it, works out what the receptors have detected and what they need to do about it. Coordination centers are your brain and spinal cord, and together they are known as the central nervous system, the CNS. They coordinate your response. Finally, you have effectors. So that information is then passed from the coordination centers to the effectors. So the effectors are muscles and glands, and they will bring about a response in order to restore optimum levels. So they make sure that you are able to respond to changes in your environment in order to maintain homeostasis. So that could either be through muscles, that would be movement, you'd make a movement to respond to the stimuli, or a gland, so that would be secreting a hormone, for example, in order to maintain homeostasis within your body.